Imagine you're looking for a new phone online, and you spot it, the perfect smartphone. But there's a problem. The price tag is a heavy $1,200, and your bank account is sweating just looking at it. But suddenly, like magic, a button appears. Zero interest financing available. Pay just $100 a month for 12 months. Zero interest, zero upfront fees, zero extra charges. You start celebrating. It feels like a financial superpower. You get the luxury item today, and your monthly budget stays completely intact as well, and the lender gets nothing extra. But let's stop right there. In the world of finance, there is one absolute, unbroken rule. Nothing is ever truly free. If the bank isn't charging you interest, how are these buy now, pay later companies making billions of dollars off these exact loans? In this video, you will learn the hidden math behind the zero interest illusion and reveal the invisible hand that is quietly draining your wallet. To understand the trick, you need to know a secret. Financial institutions are not charities. They are legally required to disclose interest rates. So how does a zero interest plan actually exist? It's not a discount from the lender. It's an aggressive marketing deal between the lender and the retail store. When you click that button, the retailer often pays the lender an upfront fee that helps cover the financing cost. For example, if a standard short-term loan's interest rate is 15%, the retail store slashes the phone's wholesale price behind the scenes to $1,050 and sells the contract to the lender. The lender then collects the full $1,200 from you over 12 months, and earning that missing $150 as their guaranteed margin. On paper, you paid the original sticker price, so you think you won. But here is where the hidden bleeding starts. First, the deferred interest trap. Many zero-interest contracts contain a brutal fine print clause. If you miss a single monthly payment by even one day, or fail to pay off the entire balance by month 12, the zero-interest magic vanishes. The lender then slaps you with the full accumulated interest rate, often up to 25% or 30%, calculated from the beginning, all the way back from day one. Second, the transaction fees. Almost every provider quietly slips a small administrative fee, processing fee, or localized state tax onto your first statement just to set up the payment structure, completely outside the advertised interest-free price. But the absolute most dangerous cost of split financing isn't the hidden clauses or the small fees. It is the psychological trap. By breaking a massive, unaffordable price tag into tiny, digestible monthly chunks, your brain stops treating it like real money. You think, hey, it's just $50 for the couch, $30 for the phone, and $20 for the vacuum. But before you know it, you've stacked 5 different zero-interest plans on top of each other. Suddenly, 40% of your monthly paycheck goes directly to the lenders before it even hits your bank account. You haven't increased your wealth. You have simply rented a lifestyle using money you haven't even earned yet. Split payment financing, or EMI, is not inherently evil. If you genuinely have the cash sitting safely in your account, and you use the plan strictly to keep your liquidity high while your money earns returns in a high-yield savings account or index fund, it can be a useful tool. But if you are clicking that button because you don't have the money to pay for it up front, you are playing a losing game. True financial freedom isn't about being able to afford the monthly payment. It's about owning your cash flow, reading the fine print, and realizing that when a financial product claims to have zero cost, you are usually the profit margin. If this video helped you see behind the corporate curtain, make sure to hit that subscribe button for daily sense. And if you also want to know why everything is becoming a subscription now, check out this video right here, where we break down the dark corporate strategy behind the death of true ownership. I will see you in the next one.